Hey, this is Mr. Garby. We are starting lessons 4 and 5, and we're going to combine them. And we're going to be talking about multiplying and dividing integers. Okay? So we have some rules that are a little bit different from the book because we think our rules are better, and I think they are too. So we're going to be looking at multiplying and dividing negative numbers, and I will just give you an example here. So we can have 5 times negative 5, okay? We can have negative 5 times negative 5, and that's supposed to be a dot for a multiplication sign. And we can have negative 5 times 5, okay? So you'll see in each case, there's a different amount of, or the negative signs are in a different spot, or there's either 1 or 2 negative signs. So this first one, well, we know 5 times 5 is 25, so that's the easy part, right? That's the first step. Now the second step is it positive or negative? And that's where this is new, okay? So the rule is, and this is not the same as adding and subtracting. It is not same, different, double. Okay? Get that out of your head. For multiplying and dividing, it's different. So if we have an odd number of negative signs, that means the answer is negative. Okay? If we have an even number of negative signs, well, that means the answer is positive. Okay? So in this first example, 5 times negative 5, do we have an odd number of negative signs or an even number of negative signs? There's one negative sign, so that means 1 is odd and it's negative. Okay? Number 2, the second one here, negative 5 times negative 5. We know 5 times 5 is 25. A negative times a negative, or 2 negative signs. So 2 negative signs is an even number, so it's positive 25. Okay? I'm not working down here because I need to make room for myself. And then the third one, we have negative 5 times 5. Well, we know 5 times 5 is 25. Negative, 1 negative sign. 1 negative sign means the answer is negative. Okay? So negative 25. Now looking at this rule, you can see a positive times a negative is negative. A negative times a negative is positive. Okay? But we like to do odd and even because there might be times where you're multiplying 3 numbers. A positive times a negative times a negative. And we'll get into that in the next video.